everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we are at the Detroit Auto Show. I'm super stoked to be here. I wanted to talk about this SUV because it's a personal favorite. This is the new Honda Pilot. Now it was new for 2023. That's where you got the new body style. And tell you, this is an elite trim right here, but this is one of my favorites and that's why I want to talk about it. So what makes the Honda Pilot unique, remember, is that you can get this to seat 8 people and it's not a big full-size body on frame SUV, and that is where this shines. So let's talk a little bit about what they have going on here with this newer Honda Pilot. So you have the 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6. That's right. So you're getting a naturally aspirated engine from Honda. What does that mean? That means reliability. That means longevity. So at least that's what we know about Honda from its past with its naturally aspirated both 4 cylinders and 6 cylinders. But you got that 3.5 liter V6 with 285 horsepower. Now that's not going to blow you away, but that's good power and the engine is not overstressed. And I tell you what, I think that you'd be really happy with this powertrain because it's paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. So let's continue to come around. I want to show you the side here. They really kept this body style clean. Again, this is an elite trim, right? So they offer a trail sport trim, which is a little more off-roady. This is not that. But come along with me back here. This gray color is nice and subtle. It looks really clean. I'm really digging it. You have these gloss black rails up here where the luggage rack is. But the thing that I really like about the Pilot is it doesn't look overly huge, but you can still fit so much in here. So even as you come around to the back and you view this from the back, it doesn't look like a giant SUV. So kind of think Acura MDX sized. You know, that is kind of a cousin of this vehicle. They're from similar brands while they're different, but it's about that size. It's not huge like a Tahoe or a Suburban or an Expedition or something like that, but I want to show you something that is unique. So I mentioned that this seats 8, right? Right now it's set up to seat 7. So if you look in here, you will see that you have captain's chairs in the middle row and you can walk to the 3rd row if you are a passenger going back there. But I tell you what, if you want to make it an 8-seater, they've got a bit of a trick up their sleeve. And this is really unique. So you come back here to the back, you've got decent storage back here, but they've completely hidden under the floor here the middle seat for that 2nd row. It completely hides away and you can have a flat load floor in here. You don't have to find a place in your garage or anything like that for this extra seat. So you pull this out of here. I will come around here to the other side. And you're in, and now you have the, the table to be in the middle of the 2 passengers, but if you want, you can pull it up, and now you've got your bench seat. I think that is awesome. So while it is tighter in here than like a full-size SUV, you still have 8 true seat belts. There are a lot of 3-row SUVs this size that only have 2 seat belts in that 3rd row, but here you get 3. So that's very awesome. But come back around here to the back with me. We'll close this up and we'll get inside and let's look a little bit closer at the interior. But I'm really liking the new Honda Pilot. You're not getting anything extra here that you don't need. You're getting everything you need, and it's packaged in a really nice way. This one here has the chocolate colored interior that I actually think looks really sharp with the dark gray and the black interior. It looks really good. Now you have Honda's push buttons there for the automatic transmission that they've had for a while now if you haven't gotten used to it. But they haven't gone overly huge with the screen in here. You've got a nice digital gauge cluster. It's just a very clean and good vehicle. You got power seats, obviously, that are gonna move different ways to get you fitting in there really, really nice. But guys, I really like the Honda Pilot. I think that some people overlook it. I really think that is a solid SUV. And what I'm starting to hear is that a lot of people are going for that trail sport trim. That's right, and it's got that kind of more off-road feel. And as of now, that trail sport, you cannot get that nifty middle seat that you can stow in the back. So the trail sports are only 7-seaters. So Honda, please, if you can, find a way to give us that trail sport option and have that removable seat there in the middle. I think that would be excellent. But guys, we are here again at the Detroit Auto Show. I'm super excited. We are looking at all kinds of vehicles while we're here, but I did not want to pass this one up because it's just unique. It has that trick up its sleeve with that middle seat that kind of separates it from the competition in this segment. And I definitely don't think that you should overlook it. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next review.